everybody, welcome back on a new video. So this video is about making wall grids. I'm sure you must have seen wall grids like this, all the types on your feed, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, you name it and you have it there. But we live in a country where Pinterest is not too much. Like the things that are, aesthetic things available, you cannot see them on like the local markets and all, and if seen they'll be like super expensive. So, and many people like me who have a fitur in their mind and want to DIY each and everything, want to make it at home. So this is very simple. Making a wall grid is very simple. All you need is black paint, newspaper, and then a few cute elements to add on it. That's it. So I have a bunch of newspapers here, and I made one like two string like these. I made it already for a rough. So let's start. The first step is to know the length of the newspaper that you want. Like what I mean to say is, this is a newspaper. So either you want to take half, either you want to take just this much, half of it. Either you want to take one like this, one complete one. So that depends on the length of the wall that you need to cover. Like in my case, firstly, I'm going to show you what newspaper size out of these two gives what length. So if you take the half newspaper, this is the length you're going to get. I already made a rough one. Let me show you on a white background. Okay. So this length is the one that you're going to get when you use a half newspaper like paper. And this length, see if you can, oh god, my hand. Yeah, this is the length you're gonna get when you will take a full one. So in my case, I need to cover the area that I need to cover. I'm gonna be taking this length, and don't mind my hands, I just got done with one project for YouTube. You're gonna get that soon. You must have already got it. So for this, I'm gonna be removing this board, and you're gonna get a separate video for this makeover. But yeah, this board is gonna be removed, and from this taped area till this taped area, I needed something in the middle. So I'm taking this length of this so that I can make it like this, covering this and this way. So this is the length that is suitable for me. You can choose it as per your own. You can take this one as well on the wall. You don't have to make it and try it. I'm already showing you the length. So the difference between both of them is this much. I've cut them both a bit because excess part was like this loose part was there. So yeah, this is the approximate difference between both of them, like almost a hand. So yeah, this way. So now you have to make these ones now, all these ones depending upon your choice. I'm taking these ones for this project. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make them next. Alright guys, I've put the phone on tripod. So now I have this full length newspaper, and in my case I'm going to be using a fan brush because this has a pretty big holding thing. So I'm using a fan brush for initial. You can use any rod or anything you have. It should be on the basis of the thickness of this thing that you want. So you don't need glue or Fevicol or Fevistick or anything in the initial step. You take the, and make sure, like, a newspaper, it's folded this way, like this way. So when you open it like this, from inside you have to start folding it, not from the outside, otherwise the structure will not be perfect. So you put it here, no Fevicol, just a bit here, like at the corner, just so one roll can be formed easily, and then you just tuck it in like this. We all know how to make these. Then quickly you have to do this way, press it and make the basic structure this way. Then you have to keep your hand on here, and the brush, if you can see over here, the brush, I'm rotating the brush, making sure that it's all tightly secure this way, right? So you have to do this process for almost till you cover this much part, at least this much. Okay guys, so I've made 12 sticks so far. 2 more were made, but they did not turn out the best, so we've kept them aside. Now I've grouped them in 3 groups of 4 each. Alright, so first we're going to take the first group. Now you can see that they have, all of them have some place at the end that is not like thick enough. So in this, what you have to do, what you're going to do is that you're supposed to take them and you're supposed to cut the extra part. We're going to keep the other 2 groups aside, and we're going to take this group alone. Okay, here they are, 4 of them are there. So in each of them you have to see, and you have to put a diagonal cut, like wherever you feel necessary, this way. Put a diagonal cut on both the sides. When I flip it, I feel a bit here. So we're gonna put a diagonal cut. So this way, this one is ready now. There. Now this does not have any part that is, not fine. So once done, we have to keep them aside, and we have to do the same with all of them. Once all the, like this type of part, this one is cut, then I'll tell you the next step. Okay guys, so now I've cut all the excess part, and I've divided them in 2 groups of 6 each now. So these are the longer ones compared to these ones, as you can see. they are long, and these are longer, these are shorter. So the longer ones I'm going to be keeping as vertical ones, and the shorter ones, these ones, are going to be kept as horizontal ones. So I'm going to firstly paste, and I'm using Fevicol only. Just Fevicol, normal. It's a bit strong one. So yeah, these are 6 and 6, as I told, we're going to be taking it 6 by 6 that way. So now we have to arrange them. In my case, I'm going to be painting them first because that's what I find more convenient, and then I'm going to be pasting them. You can do it vice versa, whatever way you want. So you see the placement like this way. First I'm going to put, okay, we're going to separate these ones. We're going to keep them here, all separated. Now we're going to put these. And for all those of you who say, okay, yeah, one more step before this, you have to cut them all of the equal length. Now that you have cut them, I've cut all the excess part of them, you're supposed to cut them of equal length. So the shortest one, we're going to see, the one which is the shortest, based on that we're going to cut their lengths. Like, when you put them together, the shortest one, as you can see, this one is the shortest one. So we have to cut all of them of the size of this. Let me just do that. Okay, I've cut all of them to equal length, and I've placed them like this as verticals. So now if you just make sure that they're all straight, this way. And now the horizontal lines, these ones that we had kept separate, cut, don't mind my hands, they've gotten really black all day from shooting videos and all. I had to shoot 2 today. So yeah, but now cut all of these ones to equal length. Okay guys, so now I've cut these horizontal lines of the right size as well, and now what we have to do is place, first we've already placed these ones, the vertical ones. I'm gonna just finalize their spaces ones. And you know what I saw right now while I'm doing this, I can just talk to you guys a bit. I was listening to songs and all on Spotify, and like, you know, ads and all, they keep coming. There's one ad, it comes, अगर आप घर में इस टाइम अकेले हो, सोचो अगर आपके पीछे कोई इंसान नहीं, आत्मा. And I was like, what the hell, because I'm alone right now at home, and I'm like, I look back and I'm like, okay, there's no one, and I quickly just like turn the volume down, and I'm like, yeah, let this skip and then we're gonna continue. Like, really, Spotify, you gotta do that? Anyways, now the length and all is a bit, just spacing a bit less. Spacing not really there at the corners. And for all those of you who say these crafts and all at home are easier, I'm gonna give you a smack in the face because they're not. Perfect. Now this way. And they're all perfect. So now you have to see where you want to put it, and then you have to apply Fevicol. Like, this is where I want mine. So here. Now we're gonna put the Fevicol. Okay. Get out. Please get out. Okay. It's getting out. So I'm putting dots. There we go. Not easy at all, guys. Not easy at all. And you know, earlier when exams were going on, my neck used to pain, like the back area, the place where the neck meets the head and hair and all that part. That used to pain so bad, and because of like continuous studying for hours and hours and hours. And now it's gonna pain because of this, but this is love, so it's fine. Okay, there we go. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Are you all ready? Are we ready to see this? We are, or are we not? Please, acha banja Rukanji. Oh my god. Okay, mini heart attack detected. Where? Okay, relax. I really want this to turn out good. I worked hard. I spent hours making these sticks, and my hand hurts right now. Okay, I cannot afford ruining this piece. And I actually need this for my own house. I'm not even making it just for video purposes. I needed to decorate the house. There's a big, very big dashing video gonna come soon on the channel, and for that one I need this. So I'm trying to do a piece of nishana type of thing. Alright. Let it dry, and we're gonna place the rest one. So I cannot do it now on camera. See you once it's done. Okay guys, so I've pasted it all using the Fevicol over there. And it is pasted. If I show you a close up, it's done, although a bit messy. But ouch, I fell. But yeah, now it's gonna dry. So now once it's fully dried, I'm gonna give it at least 3 hours for drying nicely, otherwise it's not gonna be dried. Once it is all dried, then we're gonna put, you know, black paint once done. And then yeah, I already told you where I'm gonna hang it. I'm gonna hang it over there instead of that board, and that is gonna be a whole separate video of the makeover of that area. That is something you're not ready for. So yeah, now, and there's also one more thing that you have to keep in mind. I'm gonna be putting thread on it, like, you know, thread, like one thread here or one thread here, whichever side, that doesn't matter. So that there are already like 2. Now give you a close up. See this nut and that nut, but they're too much into the wall, like fully in the wall, because this board. So I'm gonna put a thread so that on this, so that, and that is the mess I created. I'm sorry, mama. I'm gonna clean that up right now. And yeah, so we're gonna let it dry nicely, do some alterations, like I have to put Fevicol over here, and yeah, that's all. So let's see once it dries how it's gonna turn up. Hey everybody, so it's a few days later. I couldn't shoot for a few days, and now this is all done. Like, black paint is all dried up very well. It's all made, and I've attached this and this. These are right now temporary. I haven't fixed them all, but yeah, this way, and I've added 2 ribbons. And this was what I wanted to place on this wall. But now, as I told you in the starting, that from this end to, where is it? Oh my god, this end, all this has to be painted. Like, I'm gonna be doing a makeover of this. So right now I put it there, and the next video will be about the makeover, hopefully, because I've got this to cover up, like all this to fix, and then the entire area will be new, and I've kept my board down now because I removed it. And one more thing is there for which wall makeover is to be done. It's towards that side, towards my table. I'm not going to show that right now. It's a suspense. So thank you for watching this video. Now all that is left in this, I'm going to tell you, you can go to YouTube, Pinterest and search ideas to, decorate your wall grid, and that ways you can do that. I couldn't think of anything much right now, so I'm gonna end this video. But you're supposed to actually add all cute elements in this. That's all, and otherwise it's ready. So I really hope you like this. I tried to make it in the most simple way possible. And please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And bye bye. Take care till then.